Imagine this. You're finally ready to take charge of your finances. Your paycheck just hit your account. You've got a plan to save and spend wisely. And this is going to be the month it all clicks. But somehow, halfway through the month, things start slipping. You check your account balance, and it's dropping faster than you expected. Expenses seem to pop up out of nowhere, and that financial goal you were so determined to hit? Well, it's now on the back burner. Sound familiar? Here's the reality. Managing your finances with just one account can be like trying to cook a 3-course meal with one pot. Messy, chaotic, and far from ideal. In today's video, we'll dive into why having multiple bank accounts is one of the best-kept secrets of people who build wealth and never look back. This simple strategy can take you from paycheck-to-paycheck stress to real financial control, setting you up to reach those money goals faster than you ever thought possible. Why single-account living falls short. Let's get real about the hidden pitfalls of managing all your finances from a single account. When every dollar you earn and spend flows through one place, it's easy to lose track of where your money's really going. Have you ever gone to buy groceries only to see that last night's impulse purchase hit your account, throwing your whole budget off? This lack of clarity is what keeps so many people spinning their wheels financially, wondering why they can't seem to save more or make progress on their goals. By putting all your funds in one place, you're setting yourself up to play financial whack-a-mole, trying to manage expenses, savings, bills, and goals, all in one chaotic bucket. And that's where multiple bank accounts come in as a powerful, yet simple strategy. So now that we know the chaos one account can create, let's talk about the strategy of splitting your funds into multiple accounts, each with its own specific purpose. Think of it as a well-organized kitchen where every pot and pan has a dedicated role, creating order out of the chaos. Intrigued? You should be, because this is where the real transformation starts. The wealth-building strategy of multiple accounts. Setting up multiple accounts is like building a well-structured financial ecosystem that keeps you focused, intentional, and in control. Let's start with your primary checking account, the account where your paycheck lands. This account is purely for everyday expenses and living costs. Picture this account as a spending dashboard, where every dollar has a job and an endpoint. It's where your daily expenses come from, but that's it. No savings, no investments, just daily spending. Now, this is crucial because it sets up a barrier between money meant for spending and money meant for growing. Next up, let's talk about your emergency fund account. This account is like your financial security blanket, a buffer that stands between you and financial stress when life throws a curveball. Imagine knowing that if your car breaks down or you face a medical bill, you're covered without derailing your entire budget. The peace of mind that comes with an emergency fund is a financial game changer. And let's be honest, everyone needs this buffer. Are you tempted to skip setting one up? Here's a cliffhanger for you. Not having an emergency fund can be the single reason people fall back into debt. This one account alone can make all the difference between being financially free and feeling trapped by unexpected expenses. Now let's look at the savings account dedicated to future goals, whether that's a vacation, a down payment, or even a side hustle. When you have a dedicated account for goals, it's like putting your dreams on a fast track. No more accidentally spending your dream vacation fund on groceries or concert tickets. This account is a visual reminder of what you're working toward, helping you stay motivated and on track. You'll be surprised how quickly small regular contributions add up when they're protected in a separate account. As we head toward the next part of this system, think about this. By compartmentalizing your money, you're not just organizing, you're empowering each dollar to do what it's supposed to do. So if you're already excited about the simplicity this could bring to your finances, just wait, we're only halfway through. Now that we've talked about the major accounts, let's explore some advanced accounts that can elevate your wealth game even further. If you're ready to take financial control to the next level, these next steps will show you how. Advanced accounts for maximizing financial growth. In addition to basic accounts, creating a fun money account is essential for balancing enjoyment and discipline. This account is where you allocate a small guilt-free portion of your income purely for enjoyment. Think about it. When you give yourself permission to spend a set amount on things you love, you're far less likely to go overboard elsewhere. So go ahead, treat yourself. Ever heard of paying yourself first? Well, this account is an extension of that idea. By budgeting for enjoyment, you're investing in your happiness and well-being without compromising your goals. Finally, consider opening a wealth-building account dedicated to investments. Whether it's for index funds, real estate, or other investments, this account keeps your money in growth mode. Each contribution you make is like planting a seed that can grow into something substantial over time. Imagine your financial future like a garden, with every dollar invested carefully cultivated to bloom into something greater. And here's a powerful insight. Wealthy individuals rarely keep their investment money in the same place as their spending money. This separation is what keeps your investments untouched and growing, even during months when other accounts might be low. Wrapping up the journey. In a world where managing money can feel overwhelming, multiple bank accounts are a simple, effective tool that brings clarity, discipline, and purpose to your finances. With each account working toward a different goal, you'll see your financial picture take on a whole new form, one that aligns with your goals and sets you up to achieve them faster. Imagine the feeling of looking at your accounts and knowing exactly where each dollar is going and what it's working toward. It's more than just money management. It's empowering yourself to live life on your terms, achieving a lifestyle you're genuinely excited about. So if you've made it this far, I have one question for you. Are you ready to take your financial journey to the next level? Because with these strategies, the path is clear and the potential is limitless. Now go ahead and start building that financial ecosystem. Your future self will thank you.